made possible not only because of your love for each other, but through the grace and support of your family and friends. It's our hope that your fulfillment and joy in each other will increase with every passing year. We're here today because together, these two have made the decision that they're going to keep each other on the hook forever. I speak for everyone gathered here today when I say we have the utmost confidence that you two will be able to continue to give and take and enhance each other, because we've watched you do exactly that in your journey up until this moment.
Wow. Okay. I asked if I could. You look so good. You look so good. What do you think?
And the back.
You write my name in your heart. Write my name in your
Having pledged their faithfulness to one another, to love, honor, and cherish each other, it's my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. Alex, you can kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to reintroduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Alexander and Natalie Heeger.